species?
I don't know where he got from.
There's a couple of million species of animal. And how did he round these animals up?
He had one face and two bodies. That I didn't think.
But why do you keep saying one face and two bodies? Why not one head and two bodies? What you are, and how you can win an argument and make him look stupid. You'll be in that club in no time.
That's what they appreciate. They love that because what they respect is being made to look like a fool.
I heard that.
You read an academic study.
Yeah.
Let's find out what colours.
I heard we're all going over.
Oops. Sorry. Different point, though, isn't it? That's a different point.
Not listening to a word Ricky said.
No, it's just if we all sort of go ugly, that will stop the population.
Fake. Word ugly. Ugly
People, or I say we, don't assign people. It's you. Come on. I have to teach people how a roundabout works.
Boss and Sarah Minor. Yeah, but that's a new word because they have to. They come with a new word.
But it's a terrible word.
Why?
Boswellix.
They haven't been such a big council over the last and it loses the council, so I call that up. Do you want to shift it? That's right. No, when it's outside the house now, you can't leave it there. It's your responsibility. You have to stay with it. Suddenly I'm wasting time sat outside the house when I wish that someone else might want it.
Excuse me.
Absolutely true.
Didn't even look. Wow.
If I'm down the way, but I feel a bit sorry for them in that opened, when was it? October or November?
Yeah, it was a bad year to open. It's badly skewed towards the PDK, and
Which is such a shame.
but with the GT cars and the GT3s and stuff, I think I read something that bloke with the unspellable surname.
Get bought, then they get canned.
How is the manual?
It's absolutely cool. I mean, to the point where my wife, she said, "Oh, did the 911 just get delivered?" I said, "Yeah, I just drove it down the road and did a U-turn." She went, "Yeah."
Alanis Morissette, and You Want to Know on Radio X. So tomorrow morning we're going to give it another shot on Radio X. If you want to play 20 seconds to
I am convinced that the only Mark 8 Golf worth buying is the GTE.
Are you serious?
Completely convinced by it. I was going to make a film with it, and unfortunately we've had sort of strange hurricanes and things that just...
It was not. So here I am. I'm lounging. I'm in my sweatpants, and Ricky is looking sharp. He's looking camera ready. He's looking.
Head to the iHeartRadio app, Apple Podcasts, or wherever you like to listen.
100
£100 or a £1,000 investment, according to whatever people want to, commit to the idea of owning parts of a wind turbine. Koenig said Pininfarina, they make the Pininfarina, I should say.
I think so.
Because I was thinking about him earlier. I liked him. He was a good dog. And I think he was much better than Dyson. Like, I was pleased with that. Because he's not loads, but it's nice to know that what I'm trying to do is working.
Oh my gosh, yes. Michael whispers to Pam. He thinks that Jan has maybe been trying to poison him. He can't prove it, but he thinks. He just hopes she didn't do anything to the food tonight. Like, what has been happening to Michael? Has he been having violent diarrhea? Stomach cramping after he eats with her? Like, what is making him think this? Pam has a talking head. Poor Pam is so hungry. She says she knows that Jan did not.
That's amazing.
So we know it's gonna be funny. And for the fans, you not only have the four of us and Bill on one team, but you've got the Neil Flynn and. Were those Caucasian men?
Oh my god!
I'm so excited for this.
It's gonna be blast. It's gonna be a blast. I love it.
When I heard that it was Neil, my first reaction was like, "Oh my god, that will be hilarious! The fans will love it. So dope!" And then I was like, "What did I say?" Sorry. I'm just saying. Because we all work for the same company, and I've been around you guys. I'm a huge fan of